Assalamu alaikum, grade 4. I hope so you all are fine and having great time at your home, and you are obeying your parents and elders also, and you are doing your work properly. I hope so all of you are doing your school work in a nice way and on regular basis. Grade 4, previously we have done our book work on page number 97, and 3 questions we done on notebook. I hope so that you have learned these questions and you have write book work and notebook work properly. Now we are going to do reading on page number 97, types of soil. Basically, there are 3 main types of soils. Why there are 3 types of soil? Depending on the amount of the type of soil particles present in soil. Sandy soil, clay soil, and then the last one we have loam. When we are talking about the sandy soil, in sandy soil there are lots of sand particles and it is of brown color like you see in this picture, and it is dry because sand grains are dry, so this soil is mostly dry. When we are talking about clay soil have particles of clay, and like you see clay by which pots are making, so clay particles stick together, and this soil can hold a lot of water in it because there is no space between the particles. And next we have the loam, and loam have equal amount of sand, clay and humus. So this soil loam contain more nutrients as compared to the other soil, that is the sandy soil and clay soil. You have to do this reading. Sandy soil has more sand particles than gravel or clay. Its color is usually brownish or gray. Sand grains are dry and hold air in the spaces between them. But this soil cannot hold water well. Sandy soil is usually found in deserts, riverbanks, and at the seashore. Not many plants grow in this type of soil. Like you see in deserts, there are not much plants. Why? Because there is the sandy soil. Clay soil has a lot of clay particles. These stick together and can hold a lot of water. But there is no space for air in this soil. So most plants cannot grow in this soil. Why most plants cannot grow in clay soil? Because there is no space and no air can pass through it. Only a few plants like rice, which need a lot of water, grow in this soil. Potters use clay soil to make pots. Next is the loam. Loam consists of balanced quantity of sand, clay and humus. It can hold enough air and water for the plants to grow. Loamy soil contains more nutrients and humus, which makes the soil suitable for most plants to grow on it. After this, here is the importance of soil. Why soil is important? Soil is most important to us because of its ability to let plants grow on it. Plants can grow on soil because it contains all the necessary substances needed for a plant to survive. Soil particles contain minerals which are important for the plant growth. Humus provides different nutrients to the plants. Soil also contains water and air needed by the plant. Here are the different colors of the soil. Rocks contain different mineral in them, so soil too has different colors. They can be black, red, brown or gray. Black soil, red soil, brown soil and gray soil you can see in your box. Different plants need different kind of soil. Black soil is good for crops like cotton and sugarcane. Red soil is good for rice, wheat and sugarcane crops. This is the red soil, this is the black soil. Brown soil is good for tea, coffee, rubber and coconut. This is. Soil is also home to a variety of animals. Like you see, if you dig any part of the soil, you see there are lots of insects or animals in it. So it is also a home for some animals. Earth, like earthworm, ant, and the centipede. Small animals like ants, bugs, centipedes, and earthworms live in soil. Earthworms move through the soil creating tunnels, means they make the passage. Plants are able to absorb more water and air through these tunnels. The tunnels also help the roots to grow deeper into the soil. Earthworm droppings called cast make the soil fertile. Earthworm dropping mean the waste of the earthworm that earthworm release. Soil also contains very tiny living things which cannot be seen by the naked eye. They are called microbes. Some soil microbes help the plants to grow. Do you know earthworm help the rotting of vegetable matter speedily and efficiently? They feed on kitchen waste such as fruit and vegetable peels, unused stems and leaves. Earthworm casting are rich in nutrients. They are soluble in water and are easily absorbed by the roots of plants. This provides good natural fertilizer for the plants. With the help of earthworm, the fertilization of the soil can be increased and we can use earthworms as the fertilizer. It is the natural fertilizer. Okay, grade 4, for today you have to do reading from page number 97 till page number 99 that we have done. This will be your homework. Do reading of page number 97 to 99. Okay class, Allah Hafiz.